5 minutes past the hour of 2 o'clock. Yes, in case you check your calendar too, now to the 12th day of July 2025. Now we there today. Now the day where Lagos State decide say that your local government shaman where they say once in a while. We want to go for second time, tell me rest for house. The one way they say every time where we say no, be that way they take style, they build water, they build road, and when they enter everything scattered. No, that is why we tell us say try to understand by Malay. That is all we'll be listening to that. And one enter that segment where they sit down for everything European football. We want to start with the one where we call the Club World Cup. 2 teams doing amazingly. One go pass through children department to enter there, while the other one pass through adulthood to enter there. Anyway you pass, we don't meet for the final tomorrow. And while Chelsea will actually play PSG, so much to talk about. For me, Chelsea don't reach their last bus stop. Onyememe, you agree or not? Just you agree or you don't agree?
I go to agree for that kind of thing. I tell you for weeks back, I talk am for here. Say Chelsea go reach that final.
It's okay.
I tell you say Al Hilal go beat Man City.
It's okay.
And you know, I tell you how Chelsea go beat those two Brazilians. And now I dey tell you say Chelsea go win that final. And make I break down how Chelsea go take win that final.
It's okay, analyst.
Everybody know wetin PSG won't can do.
How?
But people no know wetin Chelsea won't can do.
Nah, lie. Me I know the Chelsea want do.
Nobody know Joao Pedro. You know Joao Pedro before
now. You don't
know Joao Pedro before now.
Wetin
Joao Pedro they play now for Chelsea na new stuff. Wetin PSG dey play na wetin they don dey play since Champions League final. They come the competition. Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, everybody. We don see them, we don't know them. Chelsea na the team where they bring something new to this team.
Yeah.
And if you watch the way where PSG they play, see when PSG they attack, Hakimi go confront, Nuno Mendes go confront. Their defense no they really dey too good like that. And I think Chelsea go exploit.
It's okay.
No forget say the only game where PSG concede goal for this competition then lose.
It's okay.
To show you say if a team can stay balanced and score PSG, it affects their psychic.
Now,
and I Chelsea go do. Chelsea go stay balanced, go low block, Kopama and co, hit them on the break, get the first goal, get the second goal, carry the cup. That's what it go be.
If not the way you made the open one like when Shagari say start to do film new, now anything go work tomorrow. The thing will make sense. But make I put on to you.
Okay.
You thought say everybody know what PSG go bring.
Yes.
But surprisingly, Real Madrid be not see what PSG go bring. Say PSG if you get my play 3 block for back. Nobody see him. Nobody, because we dey talk for this show say if you play 3 for back, they go beat you. But PSG, wait, you talking. PSG prove us wrong. Men the way they fly that day, can't do meet me at home. You don't go anywhere. He play 3 for back. They shot 4. Don't forget say PSG where they will beat you, that they turn you to orphan. They beat you because father and mother no go Puma for the matter. So tomorrow, if you see the video, then do say PSG enter Chelsea.
That Real Madrid match no qualify because Real Madrid no like to defend. Everybody knows say Real Madrid and Barcelona they no like to defend. They just want the attack. But Chelsea now one of those teams where we say when it come to packing the bus, using 2 BRT to block third mainland, Chelsea sabi do that well. And tomorrow they go block that bus. You see, in fact, what they want to do PSG tomorrow like this, they never see it coming.
My brother, now go past Tom Milan, nine lose because if you block Tom Milan with 2 balls, and why they thought say use alternative route, they go past Isaleko.
Now after 90 minutes, they go past that Isaleko, and by then referee don't blow whistle, trophy don't go.
Chelsea will lose tomorrow. You know why? The last time when Chelsea go play for the house of their owner, they lose the trophy. When they go play for Russia, your favorite not decrease now.
Who give me this analogy?
Tomorrow,
which analogy for this one?
Chelsea they play for
analogy of 2008. You know how many years don't pass since that 2008?
Record they carry say they travel.
No record they go anywhere.
Chelsea they lose tomorrow.
Chelsea no they lose tomorrow.
Chelsea they lose
Chelsea no they lose tomorrow.
Chelsea they lose tomorrow. If you no play, I go flog you.
Me go talk the last thing. Chelsea go win tomorrow. Chelsea go win. Chelsea go win. Chelsea go win.
I even say Chelsea don't go lose tomorrow.
89.9 Yanga FM.